we're going to walk through installing a Samsung copier on Windows 7. So first thing we want to do is open up a web browser. We're going to go to samsung.com. And once you get to the Samsung page, you're going to go to Owners and Support. Click the drop-down. Select Manuals and Downloads. On the following page in the Download Center, here we're going to type in the model number of your copier. I'm currently using a 9301. Once you put your model number in, it should drop down a menu. You're going to click Your Copier. And then you'll get your product page. On this page, you're going to click on Manuals and Downloads. And then under Downloads section, we want to click on See More. And you're going to scroll down till we find the printer driver Add Printer. Click the Download Zip link. Click Continue. And then we're going to save this file somewhere where we can find it quickly and easily. I typically go with the desktop. Click Save. And then your download will start. Once your download completes, go ahead and minimize that. And here's the file we just downloaded. So we're going to go ahead and right-click that. Click Extract All. And again, we're just going to save it right back to the desktop. Leave it as default. Click Extract. Once that's done, here's our extracted folder. We'll come back to that in just a few minutes. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on our Start button. Go to Devices and Printers. On this screen at the top, we're going to click Add a Printer. And next, we want to add a local printer. Next screen, we're going to click Create a new port, and in the drop-down, Standard TCP IP port. Click Next. Next screen, under host name or IP address, you need to type the IP address of your copier. Make sure you're not typing in the IP address I put in here. Make sure this box is unchecked, and click Next. Now we're going to select our printer driver, so we're going to click Have Disk, and then Browse. We're actually going to browse back to this folder that we extracted earlier. So we want to go to our desktop, double-click the folder, Printer. With the Samsungs, they can use either PostScript or PCL. We're going to stick with PCL for now. And here's the file we want. Go ahead and click Open and OK. And your model number should be selected here. Click Next. The printer name, you can name this whatever you want. Typically, I just leave it as is. Click Next, and Windows will install the printer for us. Now, we don't want to share this unless you're putting it on a server to share out to the network. Go ahead and click Next. We're actually going to skip printing a test page for just a moment. Go ahead and click Finish, and here's our installed copier. Now we want to go ahead and right-click on that, go to Printer Properties. This is going to bring up our Properties windows, all our different tabs and options. We're going to go to the Preferences button, and here you again have more options for the copier specific. Under Basic, we're going to go to Double-Sided Printing and change this to None. And then under Graphics, under Color Mode, we're going to change this to Grayscale. Click OK, and print a test page. As long as the test page prints, you have everything set up correctly, and you're good to go.